Maddie,
Yeah.
I have to ask you some questions.
Okay, let's hear it.
I've been having some hard times, and
Yeah.
All right.
Well, do you need my help?
Do you ever feel like breaking down?
No.
Do you ever feel out of place?
No.
Like sometimes you just don't belong.
No.
No one understands you.
No.
Do you ever feel like run away?
No.
When you lock yourself in your room?
No.
With the radio turned up so loud, no one can hear you screaming.
No.
I don't know what it's like
No, I don't.
when nothing feels so right.
No, I
I don't
don't.
know what it's like to be allowed in me.
Show me.
To be hurt, to be lost, to be left out in the dark, to be kicked when you're down,
Epiphany.
to be like you've been pushed around, to be on the edge of breaking down. No one who's to save you. You don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life.
Thanks for welcoming me.